Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A1. Sometimes it's not as simple as you might hope. You think when you've paired your phone it will work. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't, and I've had this in a few Audis. So if it's going to work, if you go to your iTunes, you'll see here where this silver triangle and the three silver circles are, you'll see Audi MMI. If you just click on that, it tells you what's available to you, but that just says iPhone. It's not showing Audi MMI. So now, if we go to menu, and then we go to telephone, click on telephone, you see there, you've got dial and settings down here. Now each corner of that screen corresponds to one of these four buttons at the side of the rotary selector. So we'll click the bottom one, which had settings, go down to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and then if we go down to bonded Bluetooth devices, click that, you'll see Barry's iPhone, click on it again, and you'll see their Audi player. Hands-free, it's already connected, so the only option is disconnect. Audi player, audio player, down to there, click on that. Well, just there you go, it's come up Audi MMI, so I can now play this music through the Bluetooth hands-free system. So in order to do that, we need to go to media. I'll just click back, so because it's already on. So if I click on media, it gives you a few choices. If you've got USB plugged in or auxiliary in or an SD card, then you'll be able to scroll through with media. So once it's showing the track on the screen that's playing on your phone, as I say, you can just flick through media there till you get to it. Oops. There you go. Now, if that's playing, if I turn this up and then turn my phone up, that's it playing through the system. It's not as simple as it could be. Sometimes it works. You pay your phone, other times it doesn't, and I don't know why it doesn't. Because we sell quite a lot of Audis, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Thanks for watching.